Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. In today's topic, I'll be talking about how to upload video on your Facebook page. So for you to be able to upload video on your Facebook page, you have to first of all open your Facebook profile this way. Then tap on the three dots at the right corner of your Facebook. You can easily switch to your Facebook page from this direction. Tap on your any of the page, or you scroll down, tap on pages, then select any of the page you wish to switch to. Let me tap on the second one. Okay, now I have switched to this. Tap on switch. It's switching. Yeah, I've switched to my Facebook page now. So for me to be able to upload video on my Facebook page, this is what I have to do, or photos on my Facebook page, this is what I have to do. Just tap on the plus icon. Now you can see they have upload stories, post stories, reels, live, upload video. So I'll tap on upload video. Then I can select any of the video of my choice here to upload. Any of them that I wish to upload. Let me say if I'm going with let me take this one. Now the next thing I have to do is to add my title. Let me give it the title. Add my description.
It's happening live. The bad government must come down. It's happening live.
Okay. Now select any of the thumbnail of your choice. If you already have a thumbnail, you can just go and tap on the plus icon here. Select your thumbnail from your gallery. Okay, let me go with this thumbnail. So now the next thing you have to do is to tap on next. You make sure you put it to be on public so that you alone will not be seeing it, because only me means only you. So we can put it on public. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on next. So when you tap on next, you're going to complete this. So who can see your post, you feel it's public, that will see my post. Then who can comment the public. Then now if you want to schedule it, you tap on schedule for later. But now if you want to post it, you can just tap on post. Then the next thing, AB. Okay, share credit for your post with collaborators. So if you create this content with other people, you can share the credit. You can invite them as a collaborator. You can leave that one because it's just me that created the content now. So post sharing. To share your post with more people, select up to 3 of your groups. After you publish your post, you can manage it from each group. So I will not be doing this. I just have to tap on my Felicia fashion word. Okay, then I'll tap on the post. So now when I tap on the post, it has say okay, it's posting. It takes some seconds to post. So guys, that is it on how to post a video on your Facebook page. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It will help this video a lot. Thanks for watching.